Hello all. Today video is about buying how to buy any new coin on PancakeSwap. So basically this will help you to buy new coins if you go to cryptocurrencies, CoinMarketCap or any website where they launch new coins. You can basically see the option to buy them. Actually you can see over here that this is the address that you need to buy with some stable or some other currency. When you scroll down, you see the option over here that PooCoin Market. Okay, keep in mind that the new coins are normally not on the Binance. They are on the some new platforms like PancakeSwap, BakerySwap, or even it's a PooCoin platform itself. So what you have to do is you actually go to PancakeSwap. Okay, just click on this one. You go to PancakeSwap. Okay, on this PancakeSwap you will see the website over here, right? This is very important to remember. This website need to be corrected, otherwise you will lose your money. So click on this one. Okay, you will go to a website where you can see this PancakeSwap. Let's see, I am going to this one. This is very important, and from here you will come here to exchange, because what you want is you want to exchange your currency, your dollar or whatever, to this coin that you want to buy. Okay, so at the moment what you need over here is need some currency. For example, I need USDT. I'll have USDT. Okay, you should have some currency over here that you want to buy with this one, and then over here the coin that you need to buy. So if I said earlier that this is the address of that one, it's called contract, right? Contract number. You just copy from here, this one, copy from here. This also need to be correct, so make sure that this is a valid one to what you are buying. Okay, so just copy the address and come here and just paste in this box. On pasting, it will give you some option. If there is it is not already on PancakeSwap, you need to import it. It will give you option to import. Just import it over here. Okay, accept it. Okay, now what you have to do is just add some dollar over here. Okay, some dollar, and you will get the coin in return. You will get, like, for $100 you will get 44 coin at the moment over here. But how you, this is the next step. This is the overview of how to buy any coin. I was talking about PooCoin. You can buy any coin using this method. Just copy the address from here, come to PancakeSwap, put it over here, and just swap with this whatever asset you have, USDT, BNB, or whatever you have. Swap with this one, just do over here. But if you'll see over here, this is the second step, that how will you actually transfer USDT, the asset, into this PancakeSwap. So you can basically do this with a MetaMask. For this one you have to see another I have to make another video that how to install a MetaMask. But you can actually basically search on YouTube. You will get many videos talking about how to actually download a MetaMask. So I talked about, I hope you are clear till here, that you just copy the stable coin over here. Okay, and then the one you are buying over here, and you need to swap that one. But before that you need to transfer some amount over here. So what you have to do is that you actually need to download MetaMask. Okay, you can find, this is the MetaMask. You can actually get many videos how to do this. It's very simple. Just download it. You have some keys. Keep the keys with yourself, that because that's related to you. Okay, so after downloading, you can actually see over here a pop-up option. You can see the same page. Actually I have downloaded, and you have to put the password over here. When you will put the password, you will get the option to just connect this one. Okay, when you will connect this one, this option over here, connect wallet, in this place you basically get the option of what exchange. Okay, just swap it, and just swap with that one. Let me show you physically how to do that. After downloading, you will get this option with your password. Actually you can get into this. Okay, okay, so I have logged into my PancakeSwap. Okay, you can also do that one. You just, what you have to do is let's see, I'll cancel at the moment. So right now I talked about, right, first use over here something, but before that you need to connect the wallet. This paying exchange, this is just an exchange. Your asset should be somewhere else in a wallet. So your asset will be in Trust Wallet. Okay, this Trust Wallet that you will download over here, and what you will do over here is just connect with MetaMask, not Trust Wallet, sorry, MetaMask. Connect. Okay, when it will be connected, you will see your currencies over here. For example, I want to just swap uh, USDT. I do not have USDT, but let's see, I want to swap BNB, some BNB. Okay, already BNB. I want to swap this BNB to PooCoin. Okay, I'll go to this website, I'll copy the address. Okay, I'll come back, paste it over here, I import this one. Okay, I understand import. Okay, and then you can see I'll do maximum. You can see whatever I have asset BNB, I'll be getting 25 PooCoins. And before you saw the connect wallet over here, but right now you can see swap, right? Just click on swap. Okay, and then this BNB will be converted to PooCoin. I am giving the example of PooCoin. You can take SafeMoon, Squid Game, unfortunately the Rock Pool, any other coins you can take over here. Just swap with this one. I hope you are clear till up till here. The next thing you have to do is you have to actually this is the step, yeah, right? How to actually send the money to this Trust Wallet. You can do that from the Binance. You can see over here that this is very simple. There is an address, right? Click, you can see at the top, account one, you can see the address. Just copy the address and go to the Binance and just put it into the sender one. Okay, in the Binance, and just send the amount that you want to send. It will come to this one. But remember, if you will do it incorrectly, you will lose the money. So first try with small amount like $1, $10, $11. Just check it if it is visible on this one after sending from the Binance. Okay, the last thing I want to tell you that you can see over here is I have connected Smart Chain. When you will install Trust Wallet, there will be no Smart Chain by inherent. Okay, it will be on Ethereum mainnet. So you have to add Smart Chain option first of all. And how to do that? You have to actually search on the Google that how to add BEP20 in MetaMask. Okay, not Trust Wallet, MetaMask. You can find many videos on this one. Actually, you have to put some address and some things. If will show you over here, if I want to add some network over here, you can get actually option to add network name, new RLCL, chain ID, currency symbol, and this one. And if I'll go to this website, I'll show you that whole of these things are actually mentioned on this one. Okay, let's see. MetaMask. Okay, these names. Okay, they are so you can see over here, this is Metnet, right? Binance Smart Chain, this address 56 BNB, and this one you have to copy this one over here, and you have to do save. When you will save this one, you will get another network beside Ethereum mainnet. You will get Smart Chain. This is BEP21. Okay, and you have to also select this one while sending the amount from the Binance. When you will do that, one amount will come to the MetaMask. You will connect this exchange with this one. You can actually collect the asset over here and swap this one. But remember, this is very important. The fee for this PancakeSwap, actually use the fee in BNB, not in USDT. You should have some BNB in your wallet to make the swap. Okay, you have to keep some BNB. That's why I'm keeping over here. You all have to keep some amount in BNB to basically swap it. Use it as a fees, use it as the fuel to actually convert this one. So first, when you will convert, send the BNB or whatever USDT in this one, convert some of it into the BNB. How to do that? If for example you have sent USDT, right, USDT will come to this one. Okay, over here. Okay, I do not have USDT at this time, and over here you will select BNB. Okay, how much BNB you want to buy? For example, you want to buy with 50 USDT, you will buy 0.0 BNB. You keep that one for your record, for your fee charges. Okay, do not use that one, because if that will be ended, BNB will end, you cannot actually swap this one. So this is the example to how to buy paying PooCoin. You can do this for everything, actually any coin. You can use the same concept. You MetaMask for the bakery swap. I hope you have know about this one. Bakery is similar to this one. The bake coin that is listed on the Binance. Similarly, PooCoin itself has some exchanges. You come over here, go to exchange, BNB, and the coin you want to, for example 1 inch you want to bind. Okay, just connect the wallet, swap it. Clear? So you will use this concept in this one for your whole coins, which will be listed on this coin market cap. Because if you will see coin market cap, there are like thousands, more than 11,000 coins are listed over there. Not all are on the Binance or other coin or other website, but they are on these PancakeSwap and some other platforms. And if you see here, there are trending ones. Okay, there are top gainers in today, recently added. If you go over here, you can actually see the recently added coins which just listed on this one. Some of these will be rug pulled, some of these will be actually go to moon. So you can actually do that, but make sure that the blockchain is on the Binance. It will be on Ethereum, you have to use Ethereum in it. Okay, it will be on Avalanche, you will use Avalanche, Solana, Polygon. These are different, but normally many small coins are on Binance, so that's why I show you Binance one. You can use any of these options. I hope it will be helpful for you. So if you haven't, because I have seen 90% of my subscribers are actually not subscribed, viewers are not subscribed. If you subscribe this video, you subscribe this YouTube channel, it will be great helpful for me. And basically my time is very important. I will put time if I'll see that people are getting benefit from my videos. Thank you so much.